So we have the feature of the week we're standing inside of right now. Adam, what is the feature of the week?
This is a 2022 Radiance Ultralight 27RE fiberglass travel trailer.
Now, if someone sees this and they want to come buy it today, what are we going to give them?
So the MSRP on this one was $59,491. I've got it discounted down to $42,995 this week. So that's a discount of over $16,500 off the MSRP.
So $16,000, boom, just take it off. This thing is so beautiful on the inside. If you want to point out just two awesome features for me on the inside.
To me on this one, when you have the size of this, you typically don't see two AC units on a unit this size.
Okay.
Obviously in Oklahoma, when we get that heat, I mean, it's pretty difficult to keep these things cool sometimes. So something this size with two 15,000 BTU AC units in it that are fully ducted, pushing air evenly from front to back, it's going to be super easy to keep this thing cool in the summertime, which is really nice. The second thing is going to be the opposing slides that you have in the living area, so it really opens up the space. Again, a smaller travel trailer is not something that you see just a ton of room in to entertain or have folks over at the lake when you're out. This one has that for you. So you have plenty of room to have the kids inside, the neighbors come over, check everything out, hang out, and have a good time.
And that is the feature of the week, guys. Feature of the week is something brand new. This is a 2022 model. It's going to be featured all week long, so it might not be available. We have the deal of the day, which is a 2017 R-Pod, which is a highly desired, sought-after travel trailer unit. It's lightweight. If you want to see that or get more information, visit us at wadesrv.com or give us a call at 405-288-1247 and tell them Little Wade sent you. I got to go check out this R-Pod.